Muraho neza? Amakuru yambi nari mbakumbuye cyane. Hello, are you okay? Are you okay my friends? I hope you are very nice. Thank you so much. I'm very happy to come back to our channel now. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Nishimiye cyane kugaruka kuri channel yacu ngo twige Ikinyarwanda dukoresha ururimi rw'Icyongereza. Ngo twigiramo icyarimwe Ikinyarwanda n'Icyongereza. Mwarimu nkumbuye nkanjye? Murakoze cyane. Thank you so much. Today we are going now to shop in the market. Let's go to shop in the market. Tugiye guhaha mu isoko. Tugiye guhaha mu isoko. Bivuze ngo uyu munsi turakoresha indimi ebyiri. Turavuga mu Kinyarwanda hanyuma twongere dushyire no mu Cyongereza. Uriteguye? Murakoze cyane. I mean, today we use two languages, Kinyarwanda and English, for shopping in the market or in the shop. Yes? Let's go now. First of all, we are going now in the market for shopping. We shop many things. Tugiye mu isoko kandi turagura ibintu byinshi. Sibyo? Murakoze cyane. Tugiye kugura icya mbere. Inkweto. 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 Inkweto in English is shoes. Shoes. Izi nkweto nangahe? Izi nkweto nangahe? How much is this pair of shoes? How much is this pair of shoes? Can you repeat? How much is this pair of shoes? Mu Kinyarwanda, izi nkweto nangahe? Or izi nkweto zigura angahe? The answer there can be, it is 20,000 Rwandan francs. 20,000 Rwandan francs. Yes. Mu Kinyarwanda, izi nkweto zigura ibihumbi 20. Repeat. Izi nkweto zigura ibihumbi 20. Thank you so much. Nyuma yo kugura inkweto, tugiye kugura ikanzu. Nyuma yo kugura inkweto, tugiye kugura ikanzu. 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 Repeat. Ikanzu. After shopping shoes, let's now shop also a dress. A dress. A dress. Iyi kanzu nangahe? Iyi kanzu nangahe? Iyi kanzu igura amafaranga angahe? Repeat. Iyi kanzu igura amafaranga angahe? in English, how much is this dress? How much is this dress? Mhm. The answer can be, it is 10,000 Rwandan francs. 10,000 Rwandan francs. Can you repeat? This dress is 10,000 Rwandan francs. Mhm. Mu Kinyarwanda, iyi kanzu igura amafaranga ibihumbi 10. Iyi kanzu igura amafaranga ibihumbi 10. Can you repeat? Thank you so much. After shopping a dress, let's now continue by a skirt. A skirt. A skirt. Mu Kinyarwanda, ijipo. Ijipo. A skirt. Ijipo. Iyi jipo igura angahe? Iyi jipo igura amafaranga angahe? Repeat. Iyi jipo igura amafaranga angahe? In English, how much is this skirt? How much is this skirt? The answer can be, it is 7,000 Rwandan francs. 7,000 Rwandan francs. Mu Kinyarwanda, iyi jipo igura amafaranga ibihumbi 7. Iyi jipo igura amafaranga ibihumbi 7. Repeat. Iyi jipo igura amafaranga ibihumbi 7. Thank you so much. Let's now buy a t-shirt. 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 A t-shirt. T-shirt means umupira in Kinyarwanda. Umupira. So let us shop. Umupira. 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 Repeat. Umupira. A t-shirt. T-shirt. How much is this t-shirt? How much is this t-shirt? Mu Kinyarwanda, uyu mupira ugura angahe? Uyu mupira ugura angahe? Repeat. Uyu mupira ugura amafaranga angahe? The answer can be, in English, this t-shirt is 5,000 Rwandan francs. 5,000 Rwandan francs. Repeat. This t-shirt is 5,000 Rwandan francs. Thank you so much. Uyu mupira ugura amafaranga ibihumbi 5. Uyu mupira ugura amafaranga ibihumbi 5. Can you repeat it? Uyu mupira ugura amafaranga ibihumbi 5. Urakoze cyane. Let's now shop a jacket. A jacket. A jacket. How much is this jacket? Jacket means ikoti. Ikoti ry'imbeho. Ikoti ry'imbeho. Yes, ikoti ry'imbeho. A jacket. How much is this jacket? Yes, repeat. How much is this jacket? The answer can be, this jacket is 15,000 Rwandan francs. 15,000 Rwandan francs. Mu Kinyarwanda, iri koti ry'imbeho rigura angahe? Iri koti ry'imbeho rigura angahe? Repeat. Iri koti ry'imbeho rigura amafaranga angahe? The answer there can be, iri koti rigura amafaranga ibihumbi 15. Iri koti rigura amafaranga ibihumbi 15. Ibihumbi 15. Yes? Thank you so much. Urakoze cyane. Urakoze cyane. Let's now shop isaha. 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 Isaha means a watch. 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 A watch. How much is this watch? How much is this watch? Yes, the answer can be, this watch is 6,000 Rwandan francs. 6,000 Rwandan francs. Yes? Iyi saha igura amafaranga ibihumbi 6. Iyi saha igura amafaranga ibihumbi 6. Repeat. Iyi saha igura amafaranga ibihumbi 6. Thank you so much. Urakoze cyane. Let us now continue. We shop many things today in the market. Turagura ibintu byinshi. Let us now shop socks. 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 In Kinyarwanda, socks means amasogisi. Amasogisi. Repeat. Amasogisi. How much is this pair of socks? How much is this pair of socks? Repeat. How much is this pair of socks? This pair of socks is 1,000 Rwandan francs. 1,000 Rwandan francs. Yes? Repeat. This pair of socks is 1,000 Rwandan francs. In Kinyarwanda, aya masogisi agura amafaranga 1,000. Aya masogisi agura amafaranga 1,000. Repeat once again. Aya masogisi agura amafaranga 1,000. Urakoze cyane. Let's now buy underwear. 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 Do you know underwear? Yes? In Kinyarwanda, ikariso. 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 How much is this underwear? How much is this underwear? The answer can be, this underwear is 2,000 Rwandan francs. 2,000 Rwandan francs. Repeat. This underwear is 2,000 Rwandan francs. In Kinyarwanda, iyi kariso igura amafaranga ibihumbi 2,000. iyi kariso igura amafaranga ibihumbi bibiri. Repeat. Iyi kariso igura amafaranga ibihumbi bibiri. Urakoze cyane. Thank you. Continue. Let's now show a comb. Comb. A comb. A comb. A comb means igisokozo. Igisokozo. Yeah. How much is this comb? How much is this comb? This comb is 500 Rwandan francs. This comb is 500 Rwandan francs. Repeat. This comb is 500 Rwandan francs. Mu Kinyarwanda, iki gisokozo kigura amafaranga 500. Iki gisokozo kigura amafaranga 500. 500. Repeat. Iki gisokozo kigura amafaranga 500. Urakoze cyane. Thank you so much. Let's continue now. Let's now show body lotion. Body lotion. Lotion. Body lotion. Body lotion means amavuta yo kwisiga. Yes, amavuta yo kwisiga. Body lotion. How can you say? How much is this body lotion? Maybe it's a bottle. How much is this body lotion? Aya mavuta yo kwisiga agura angahe mu Kinyarwanda? Aya mavuta yo kwisiga agura amafaranga angahe? Repeat. Aya mavuta yo kwisiga agura amafaranga angahe? Yes. Thank you so much. Continue with shopping. Perfume. Perfume. Let's now shop perfume. Perfume. Perfume in Kinyarwanda means umubavu. 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 Umubavu in Kinyarwanda. How much is this perfume? How much is this perfume? Repeat. How much is this perfume? This perfume is 25,000 Rwandan francs. 25,000 Rwandan francs. This perfume is 25,000 Rwandan francs. Yes? Can you repeat it? This perfume is 25,000 Rwandan francs. Uyu mubavu mu Kinyarwanda. Uyu mubavu ugura amafaranga ibihumbi 25. Uyu mubavu ugura amafaranga ibihumbi 25. Ibihumbi 25. Repeat. Uyu mubavu ugura amafaranga ibihumbi 25. Urakoze cyane. Today I shop many things. Yes, let's continue shopping. Mhm. Let's now shop a soap. 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 Soap means Kinyarwanda isabune. 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 Hmm? Isabune. Repeat. Isabune. Soap. Hmm? How much is this soap? How much is this soap? Mhm. Yes. Uh-huh. This soap is 1,000 Rwandan francs. Hmm? This soap is 1,000 Rwandan francs. Mhm. Mu Kinyarwanda iyi sabune igura angahe? Iyi sabune igura angahe? Or iyi sabune igura amafaranga angahe? Iyi sabune igura amafaranga igihumbi. Hmm? Iyi sabune igura amafaranga igihumbi. Thank you so much. Mhm. Let's continue shopping. Let's now shop toothpaste. Toothpaste. Hmm? Toothpaste. Toothpaste means mu Kinyarwanda umuti w'amenyo. Umuti w'amenyo. Toothpaste. Mhm. How much is this toothpaste? How much is this toothpaste? Hmm? Yes? Uh-huh. The answer can be this toothpaste is 3,000 Rwandan francs. This toothpaste is 3,000 Rwandan francs. Yes? Thank you so much. Mu Kinyarwanda uyu muti w'amenyo ugura amafaranga ibihumbi bitatu. Uyu muti w'amenyo ugura amafaranga ibihumbi bitatu. Repeat. Uyu muti w'amenyo ugura amafaranga ibihumbi bitatu. Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping brush. Brush. Brush, brush, brush. Mu Kinyarwanda uburoso bw'amenyo. Uburoso bw'amenyo. How much is this brush? How much is this brush? Yes, answer. This brush is 800 Rwandan francs. This brush is 800 Rwandan francs. Repeat. This brush is 800 Rwandan francs. Yes, thank you. Mu Kinyarwanda ubu buroso bw'amenyo bugura amafaranga 800. Ubu buroso bw'amenyo bugura amafaranga 800. Thank you so much. Can you repeat it? Ubu buroso bw'amenyo bugura amafaranga 800. 800. Bakoze cyane. Let's now shop shoes brush. Shoes brush. Shoes brush. Mu Kinyarwanda uburoso bw'inkweto. Uburoso bw'inkweto. Uburoso bw'inkweto. How much is this shoes brush? How much is this shoes brush? Repeat. How much is this shoes brush? Kinyarwanda, ubu buroso bw'inkweto bugura angahe? Ubu buroso bw'inkweto bugura amafaranga angahe? Kimwe, bugura angahe? Bugura amafaranga angahe? Byose ni kimwe. Byiza birakosoye. Ubu buroso bw'inkweto bugura angahe? Can you repeat it? Ubu buroso bw'inkweto bugura amafaranga angahe? Murakoze cyane. So let's continue and shop a bucket. 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 Mu Kinyarwanda, indobo. 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 How much is this bucket? How much is this bucket? Yes? Repeat. How much is this bucket? This bucket is 100. Sorry. This bucket is 1,000 Rwandan francs. This bucket is 1,000 Rwandan francs. Mu Kinyarwanda, iyi ndobo igura amafaranga igihumbi. Iyi ndobo igura amafaranga igihumbi. Repeat. Iyi ndobo igura amafaranga igihumbi. Iyi ndobo igura angahe? The answer, iyi ndobo igura amafaranga igihumbi. Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping toilet paper. Toilet paper. TP. TP. Toilet paper. How much is this toilet paper? How much is this toilet paper? Yes. This toilet paper is 200 Rwandan francs. This toilet paper is 200 Rwandan francs. Toilet paper in Kinyarwanda means urupapuro rw'isuku. Urupapuro rw'isuku. Urupapuro rw'isuku ni angahe? Urupapuro rw'isuku rugura angahe? Yes? Urupapuro rw'isuku rugura amafaranga angahe? Yes? The answer, urupapuro rw'isuku rugura amafaranga 200. Urupapuro rw'isuku rugura amafaranga 200. Yes? Thank you so much. Let's now continue by shopping. Let's now continue by shopping washing powder. Washing powder. Washing powder. Mu Kinyarwanda, isabune y'ifu. Isabune y'ifu. Some of people call it Omo. 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 Isabune y'ifu or Omo. Yes? How much is this washing powder? How much is this washing powder? This washing powder is 4,000 Rwandan francs. This washing powder is 4,000 Rwandan francs. Yes, repeat. This washing powder is 4,000 Rwandan francs. Thank you so much. In Kinyarwanda, iyi sabune y'ifu igura amafaranga 4,000. Iyi sabune y'ifu igura amafaranga 4,000. For the question, iyi sabune y'ifu igura angahe? Iyi sabune y'ifu igura amafaranga angahe? Or iyi sabune y'ifu ni angahe? Byose bivuga kimwe. It's the same. Iyi sabune y'ifu igura angahe? Iyi omo igura angahe? Yes? The answer, iyi sabune y'ifu igura amafaranga 4,000. Or iyi omo igura amafaranga 4,000. Kinyarwanda is the same. Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping liquid soap. Liquid soap. Liquid soap. Liquid soap. Mu Kinyarwanda, isabune y'amazi. Isabune y'amazi. How much is this liquid soap? How much is this liquid soap? The answer, this liquid soap is 6,000 Rwandan francs. This liquid soap is 6,000 Rwandan francs. Can you repeat? This liquid soap is 6,000 Rwandan francs. Mu Kinyarwanda, iyi sabune y'amazi igura amafaranga 6,000. Iyi sabune y'amazi igura angahe? As a question. Iyi sabune y'amazi igura amafaranga angahe? Repeat. Iyi sabune y'amazi igura amafaranga angahe? Iyi sabune y'amazi igura amafaranga 6,000. That is the answer. Iyi sabune y'amazi igura amafaranga 6,000. Repeat. Yes. Iyi sabune y'amazi igura amafaranga 6,000. Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping a mirror. 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 A mirror. Yes. Mu Kinyarwanda, ikirori or indorerwamo. Indorerwamo. Ikirori. Indorerwamo. It's the same. You can say ikirori. You can say indorerwamo. It's the same in Kinyarwanda. Indorerwamo. But many people use indorerwamo. 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 A mirror. Indorerwamo. Repeat. Indorerwamo. How much is this mirror? How much is this mirror? Yes. The answer, this mirror is 3,000 Rwandan francs. This mirror is 3,000 Rwandan francs. Iyi ndorerwamo igura angahe? Mu Kinyarwanda, iyi ndorerwamo igura amafaranga angahe? Yes? Can you repeat the question? Iyi ndorerwamo igura amafaranga angahe? Iyi ndorerwamo igura amafaranga 3,000. Iyi ndorerwamo igura amafaranga 3,000. bitatu. Repeat it. Iyi ndorerwamo igura amafaranga ibihumbi bitatu. Yes? Thank you so much. After shopping these things, we can continue in the market of food. Let's continue the market of food. Okay? These are now, I can say, things for ngiye kurangiza ntabyishe ubundi byari kubaho. Reka amatite kugira ngo uzahave. Bimaze kwa minota ingahe? Yesu Kristo igihe nahereye. Ubu noneho ngiye kujya mu isoko ry'ibiryo. Rino soko nari kuryita iry'iki? Ndashaka kuvuga isoko ry'ibikoresho. Yes. After shopping these materials, let's now continue in the shop of food. You know food? Nyuma yo kugura ibikoresho by'isuku, reka tubyite ibikoresho by'isuku, reka dukomeze no mu isoko ry'ibiribwa. Ibiribwa. Yes? Food. Ibiribwa. Food. Ibiribwa ni Kinyarwanda. Ibiribwa. Isoko ry'ibiribwa. Market of food. From there, we can shop also many things. Let's start by shopping Irish potatoes. Irish potatoes. How much 1 kilogram of Irish potatoes? How much is 1 kilogram of Irish potatoes? 1 kilogram Irish potatoes in Kinyarwanda means ibirayi. 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 You know ibirayi? Irish potatoes. Ibirayi. How much is 1 kilogram of Irish potatoes? 1 kilogram of Irish potatoes is 1,000 Rwandan francs. 1,000 Rwandan francs. Can you repeat it? 1 kilogram of Irish potatoes is 1,000 Rwandan francs. In Kinyarwanda, ikiro kimwe cy'ibirayi kigura angahe? Ikiro kimwe cy'ibirayi kigura angahe? Ikiro kimwe cy'ibirayi kigura amafaranga angahe? Can you repeat it? Ikiro kimwe cy'ibirayi kigura amafaranga angahe? Ikiro kimwe cy'ibirayi kigura amafaranga 1,000. Ikiro kimwe cy'ibirayi kigura amafaranga 1,000. Repeat. Ikiro kimwe cy'ibirayi kigura amafaranga 1,000. Murakoze cyane. After shopping Irish potatoes, let's now continue by sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Repeat. Sweet potatoes in English. In Kinyarwanda, ibijumba. 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 How much is 1 kilogram of sweet potatoes? Repeat. How much is 1 kilogram of sweet potatoes? 1 kilogram of sweet potatoes is 500 Rwandan francs. 500 Rwandan francs. Repeat. 1 kilogram of sweet potatoes is 500 Rwandan francs. Urakoze cyane. Thank you. Mu Kinyarwanda, ikiro cy'ibijumba ni angahe? Ikiro kimwe cy'ibijumba kigura amafaranga angahe? Repeat. Ikiro kimwe cy'ibijumba kigura amafaranga angahe? Thank you so much. The answer is ikiro kimwe cy'ibijumba kigura amafaranga 500. Ikiro kimwe cy'ibijumba kigura amafaranga 500. Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping beans. 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 You know beans? Beans. In Kinyarwanda, beans means ibishyimbo. 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 How much is 1 kilogram of beans? How much is 1 kilogram of beans? 1 kilogram of beans is 1,000 Rwandan francs. 1,000 Rwandan francs. 1 kilogram of beans is 1,000 Rwandan francs. Can you repeat the sentence? Yes? 1,000 Rwandan francs. 1 kilogram of beans is 1,000 Rwandan francs. In Kinyarwanda, ikiro cy'ibishyimbo ni angahe? Ikiro kimwe cy'ibishyimbo kigura amafaranga angahe? Repeat. Yes. Ikiro kimwe cy'ibishyimbo kigura angahe? The same. The answer. Ikiro kimwe cy'ibishyimbo kigura amafaranga 1,000. Ikiro kimwe cy'ibishyimbo kigura amafaranga 1,000. Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping cooking oil. Cooking oil. Cooking oil. Yes. Cooking oil in Kinyarwanda, amavuta yo guteka. Amavuta yo guteka. How much is 1 liter of cooking oil? 1 liter. 1 liter of cooking oil. How much is 1 liter of cooking oil? Yes? 1 liter of cooking oil is 2,000 Rwandan francs. 1 liter of cooking oil is 2,000 Rwandan francs. Thank you so much. In Kinyarwanda, litiro y'amavuta yo guteka igura angahe? 1 liter. Kinyarwanda, litiro. 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 Repeat. Litiro. Litiro. Thank you. Litiro imwe y'amavuta yo guteka igura angahe? Thank you. The answer. Litiro imwe y'amavuta yo guteka igura amafaranga 2,000. Litiro imwe y'amavuta yo guteka igura amafaranga ibihumbi bibiri. Yes? Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping onion. 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 Onion mu Kinyarwanda igitunguru. 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 Can you repeat? Igitunguru. Igitunguru. Repeat. Igitunguru. Thank you so much. How much is this onion? How much is this onion? The onion is 100 Rwandan francs. 100 Rwandan francs. Can you repeat? This onion is 100 Rwandan francs. Thank you. Mu Kinyarwanda iki gitunguru ni amafaranga 100. Iki gitunguru ni amafaranga 100. Or iki gitunguru kigura amafaranga 100. For the question, iki gitunguru kigura angahe? Iki gitunguru kigura angahe? Iki gitunguru kigura amafaranga angahe? Is the same. The answer, iki gitunguru kigura amafaranga 100. Iki gitunguru kigura amafaranga 100. Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping tomatoes. 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 Do you know tomatoes? Tomatoes in Kinyarwanda means inyanya. Inyanya. Very simple there. Inyanya. Inyanya. How much is these tomatoes? How much is these tomatoes? Yes? These tomatoes is 4,000 Rwandan francs. These tomatoes is 4,000 Rwandan francs. Maybe they are in the back, a small bucket. There, the price is 4,000 Rwandan francs. Yes, in Kinyarwanda, izi nyanya zigura angahe? In the bucket there, mu ndobo. Mu ndobo ntoya. Mu kadobo. Kadobo, indobo. A small bucket of tomatoes. Izi nyanya zigura angahe? The answer, izi nyanya zigura amafaranga 4,000. Izi nyanya zigura amafaranga 4,000. Yes? Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping meat. The meat. Meat in Kinyarwanda, inyama. Repeat. Inyama. Thank you so much. How much is 1 kilogram of meat? How much is 1 kilogram of meat? How much is 1 kilogram of meat? 1 kilogram of meat is 5,000 Rwandan francs. 1 kilogram of meat is 5,000 Rwandan francs. Can you repeat it? 1 kilogram of meat is 5,000 Rwandan francs. Thank you. In Kinyarwanda, ikiro kimwe cy'inyama ni angahe? Ikiro kimwe cy'inyama kigura amafaranga angahe? Repeat. Yes. Ikiro kimwe cy'inyama kigura amafaranga angahe? The answer. Ikiro kimwe cy'inyama kigura amafaranga 5,000. Ikiro kimwe cy'inyama kigura amafaranga 5,000. Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping fish. 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 How much is this fish? Fish in Kinyarwanda means ifi. Ifi. Fish. Ifi. Yes. Ifi. Ifi. Thank you. How much is this fish? How much is this fish? This fish is 6,000 Rwandan francs. This fish is 6,000 Rwandan francs. Can you repeat? This fish is 6,000 Rwandan francs. Thank you. In Kinyarwanda, iyi fi igura amafaranga angahe? Iyi fi igura amafaranga angahe? Yes. Repeat. Iyi fi igura amafaranga angahe? Thank you. The answer is iyi fi igura amafaranga 6,000. Iyi fi igura amafaranga 6,000. Repeat. Iyi fi igura amafaranga 6,000. Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping salt. Salt. We need to cook. We have to buy salt. Salt means in Kinyarwanda umunyu. Repeat. Umunyu. How much is 1 kilogram of salt? How much is 1 kilogram of salt? 1 kilogram of salt is 500 Rwandan francs. 500 Rwandan francs. 1 kilogram of salt is 500 Rwandan francs. Kinyarwanda, ikiro kimwe cy'umunyu kigura angahe? Ikiro kimwe cy'umunyu kigura amafaranga angahe? Repeat. Ikiro kimwe cy'umunyu kigura angahe? The answer. Ikiro kimwe cy'umunyu kigura amafaranga 500. Ikiro kimwe cy'umunyu kigura amafaranga 500. Thank you so much. Let's now continue by shopping rice. Rice in Kinyarwanda is umuceri. Repeat. Umuceri. Thank you. How much is 1 kilogram of rice? How much is 1 kilogram of rice? 1 kilogram of rice is 1,000 Rwandan francs. 1 kilogram of rice is 1,000 Rwandan francs. Can you repeat the sentence in English? 1 kilogram of rice is 1,000 Rwandan francs. Thank you so much. Let's now put in Kinyarwanda. Ikiro cy'umuceri ni angahe? Ikiro kimwe cy'umuceri kigura amafaranga angahe? Repeat. Ikiro kimwe cy'umuceri kigura amafaranga angahe? Ikiro kimwe cy'umuceri kigura amafaranga 1,000. Ikiro kimwe cy'umuceri kigura amafaranga 1,000. Thank you so much. Let's now buy a matchbox. Matchbox or a match. Matchbox. Match. In Kinyarwanda, ikibiriti. Ikibiriti. Yes? How much is one matchbox? How much is one matchbox? One matchbox is 50 Rwandan francs. 50 Rwandan francs. One matchbox is 50 Rwandan francs. Mu Kinyarwanda, ikibiriti kimwe ni angahe? Ikibiriti kimwe kigura amafaranga angahe? Can you repeat it? Ikibiriti kimwe kigura amafaranga angahe? The answer, ikibiriti kimwe kigura amafaranga 50. Ikibiriti kimwe kigura amafaranga 50. 50 Rwandan francs. 50. Yes? Turakoze cyane. Let's continue by shopping a knife. Knife. A knife. A knife. A knife in Kinyarwanda is icyuma. Icyuma. Repeat. Icyuma. Yes? How much is this knife? How much is this knife? This knife is 500 Rwandan francs. This knife is 500 Rwandan francs. Repeat. This knife is 500 Rwandan francs. Knife. Mu Kinyarwanda, iki cyuma kigura angahe? Iki cyuma kigura amafaranga angahe? Yes? Iki cyuma kigura amafaranga 500. Iki cyuma kigura amafaranga 500. Repeat. Iki cyuma kigura amafaranga 500. Thank you so much. Let's continue by shopping a cup. 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 Cup in Kinyarwanda is igikombe. Igikombe. Cup. How much is this cup? How much is this cup? This cup is 200 Rwandan francs. This cup is 200 Rwandan francs. 200 Rwandan francs. Thank you. In Kinyarwanda, iki gikombe kigura angahe? Iki gikombe kigura amafaranga angahe? Iki gikombe kigura amafaranga 200. Iki gikombe kigura amafaranga 200. Yes? Let us now buy also a plate. A plate. A plate. How much is this plate? How much is this plate? This plate is 500 Rwandan francs. This plate is 500 Rwandan francs. A plate in Kinyarwanda is isahani. Isahani. Can you repeat? Isahani. Okay. Iyi sahani igura angahe? Iyi sahani igura amafaranga angahe? Repeat. Iyi sahani igura amafaranga angahe? Iyi sahani igura amafaranga 300. Iyi sahani igura amafaranga 300. Repeat. Iyi sahani igura amafaranga 300. This plate is 300 Rwandan francs. Yes? Thank you so much. So now, this is the end of our lesson of today, where we have gone to the market for shopping. So now, from there, you can now go and shop in the market in Kinyarwanda or English. Thank you so much. I love you so much. See you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.